How to remove background in Photoleap application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type Photoleap. Now tap on search and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now on this page, simply tap on edit photo. Now select a photo. Now wait for some time and tap on the cross icon. Again tap on the cross icon at the top right corner. Now scroll to the right of the menu settings. Now tap on change background. Now select your background, or you can also import an image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.